Hello friends. So today we will discuss about do while loop in C. So previously we had discussed about the while loop. So do while loop is also just like a while loop, but this loop will always be executed at least once, even if the condition is false, because the code block executed before the condition checking. So suppose this is the syntax for do while loop. So do, and after that we are opening the braces. Here we are giving that block of codes. We are writing some logic here. And after that, while here we are checking the condition. Okay. So the condition is checking here only. So this block of code will execute at least once. Okay. So we can just check with one example. So suppose int I is equal to 1. We need to just print numbers up to 10. So here we are using do, and we are opening the braces. Here we are using printf. Printf percentage %d, and here we are telling the variable I. So one will print. After that, we need to increment that value, right? So here we can use I plus plus. Then we are checking the condition using while. While I less than or equal to 10. After that, put semicolon. Okay. So here we are using I is equal to 1. Inside these braces, we are using printf and we are implementing that value, right? After that, we are checking while I less than or equal to 10. We can just run this. Now we are getting value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 10. We can just put some tab here, /t, then we are just running. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 10. Okay. So in do while loop, this code will execute always once. And this condition is false also, because currently this condition is true, right? Suppose we are telling I greater than 10. So this condition is wrong now, right? But we are just running this code. We are getting output 1 because this code will execute at least once. Suppose here we are telling I equal to 0. That's also wrong, right? We are just run this. Now also we are getting 1 here. Okay. Suppose we want to print in backward directions 10 to 1. So here we are telling I equal to 10 and printf I. Then we are just I equal to I minus minus. And here we are checking I greater than 0. Then we will run this code. We are getting 10, 9 up to 1. So here also we need to print the sum of up to 10 numbers. We can use variable sum equal to 0. Here we are assigning this value sum plus equal to this I. Then we are just printing printf percentage day, you can tell sum. Here we can tell like sum full column percentage d sum, right? We can just run this code. Then also we are getting the output sum equal to 54. This sum we needed in the next line, we can tell slash. You can just run this code, then sum equal to 54. So the main point is this do while loop will always execute it at least once, even if the condition is false. Okay. Okay. Thank you guys. Please subscribe.